Forex, stocks, futures, Trademiner 5.0 picks of the week.
Hey ForexMilitia, this is Parsival, and we're going to go over the Trademiner picks of the week, starting with Forex. And we have got the Euro Pound, bearish Euro Pound, 7 years, and a 86% win rate, not calculated by the neural network. And we've got a pretty good thing going on there. We've got stocks, we've got bullish Intel, November 1st to November 25th, 8 years, 87% win rate. Probability was, there is nothing there. Probability, I believe it was low, but we're going into a cycle for the midterms, and I believe after the election it'll probably be bullish. So go on off of that, and then a bullish Dow Mini for futures, 8 years, 88% win rate. Probability is high. Alright, let's go to the chart and take a look at this. Let's do this real quick. And we have the pound, the Euro Pound, and that is going long, short, October 31st, right? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the QQE as a help to basically call some of these trades. So I'll get in and out based on what's going on with the QQE. And a bullish Intel. As you can see, the QQE is pointing upward, and we are going to look to see after the earnings report if it still continues to rally. And then the Dow E Mini, the Dow E Mini basically is also long, going rallying higher, and we're gonna have to wait till the 31st again to basically do that. That's, I believe, next week Monday, sometime next week Monday, going into November. And that will basically do it for the picks. Now let's get over to the strategy tester, not the strategy tester, the paper trading. And I still have this Euro CAD on, and it doesn't look like it's going to go positive going into Monday. So it'll close out with a small loss, and we will have to look for another trade. So going back, we are coming into Honeywell earnings and an open. We'll see if that actually goes right. This right here, I did not get into this trade, but so far it looks like it's going well. And the QQE is following, and then the dollar index basically is long, but the QQE is short, so that's not good. CAT looks like it's doing pretty decently. It looks like it's jumping off well, and that is going to close November 4th. And yes, is long, and it looks like it started up here, so it's actually at a little bit of, it's probably just about break even. And the Aussie Swissy is, let's see, QQE is long, and you got in right here, and so there's a little bit of a gain on this one. Okay, I don't have that up there. So that will basically do it. Please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And I will say, knowledge is power. Be power hungry and power to the people. And this is Parsival signing out.